Hey, what is up, YouTube? So, today I have to run some errands around town. First things first, got to go get a coffee, of course. And I think I'm going to go to Fremont, Niles area. There's a silent film museum. It's only open from 12 to 4. I think it reopens for a couple hours in the evening on Saturday, and then only 12 to 4 on Saturday. That's the only 2 days it's open. I believe you can become a member there, and they do a lot of screenings of different silent films and stuff. I believe it was an old studio. I'll try to learn some more. I've never been here before. I didn't know that this existed. So let's go learn and let's go explore.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Starbucks.
Coffee obtained, Starbucks. Got a cold brew with the strawberry white chocolate cold foam on it. It's good. It's Starbucks, but it's good. Now I gotta go stop at Petco. And then we'll head to the museum.
Dusty road and the sun so low. Windows down, let the warm wind blow. Playlist spinning, got nowhere to go. We ain't lost, we're just moving slow. Gas station snacks, cola in hand, maps folded up. Who needs a plan? Horizon wide like a movie scene. Chasing nothing but an open dream. Rolling free, no end in sight. Chasing the day, still in the night. The road hums low, it sings to me. This is life, this is where I'm meant to be. Tires hum like a steady drum. Sky on fire, days almost done. Fields stretch wide, golden and green. Life feels lighter, you know what I mean. The stars might guide or let us stray, but who cares? It's the perfect way. No clocks, no calls, just rhythm and rhyme. This ride's forever, not bound by time. Rolling free, no end in sight. Chasing the day.
All right, so we're gonna go check out this old film studio. It's a museum now, silent film museum. But from the years 1912 to 1916, they filmed over 350 different silent films over here. Most notably, Charlie Chaplin, The Tramp was filmed here. So a lot of history down here, beautiful area. Let's go explore it. Got the Niles up on the hill. This downtown area is a real vibe. A lot of antique shops. Beautiful. Looks like a lot is actually going down around here today. Looks like there was even like a little trade show going on, but here we are. The Niles Essanay Silent Film Museum. Let's go explore. The Essanay Film Studios. Like I said, they do some screenings. It was absolutely a no charge museum to come check out. Got a little photo op here. There was a tour going on. I didn't want to walk right through that, but maybe we can join in. And then they got the theater, the Edison Theater back here. Look at that. Very cool.
He wanted to make westerns. Chicago was not great. You needed to shoot outdoors, you get the right scenery, you get the right...
I might get a good video of it.
Get a nickel.
Nickel and crank it. Keep going, and crank fast, and keep on watching.
And that was The Phantom of the Opera. Old time sneak preview. We'll go check out the gift shop first. Oh, old flip books. Classic, even a Keith Haring. That's very cool. I'm gonna look through a couple of these. The Birthday Bot. An old Charlie Chaplin. King Kong. Alright, I'm about to flip through a couple of these right now.
Well, we open at
Got some mystery boxes. I'm gonna have to purchase a couple things.
Tell them schedules are right
Creature
there.
from the Black Lagoon. They have some absolutely amazing shirt designs. This was a dangerous place for me to come. Flip book kits. The Fliposcope. Little Charlie Chaplin plush. Some DVDs, some Blu-rays, some posters. Some local history books. Playland. This is pretty epic. I don't think I've ever watched a full Buster Keaton movie, but I didn't even know they had them on Blu-rays.
The actors or the directors or the cameramen.
Got some old projectors.
Projectionists. It was the projectionists. They had the dangerous and different. This is Broncho Billy, much later in the 1950s, getting his honorary Oscar for being the first cowboy movie star. That Oscar does come out on special occasions. I'm not sure if we're going to bring him out for. I'm not sure if we're doing showing the Oscars on our big stage here, but that Oscar is now in our collection.
Very cool.
So I've got to hold an Oscar. This, when they needed a baby for the pictures, this is GM Raleigh Totherow, who was Chaplin's cameraman for the rest of the.
The cameras here. I don't want to talk too loud and interrupt the
90 years later is Jack Totherow.
the awesome artifact walkthrough that's going on.
Did Charlie Chaplin end up living into early Hollywood and acting in early Hollywood?
Oh yeah. as an artist, he really didn't like talkies. He insisted on making silent films long after everybody else had switched over to talkies, and they were still popular.
So cool projector.
And he eventually did make talkies, and now I'm trying to remember which movie it was, but his in the 50s. Let's see. Well, King in New York is one that he directed even a lot of the early films. He was his own director in most of his.
Oh yeah. Kind of like Buster Keaton too, right?
Yeah, Buster Keaton as well. But he was caught up in the Red Scare. He was not officially of, I think, limelight. I have to look up it. In the 1950s, he was, first of all, getting really bitter about what was going on in America. And so instead of premiering in Hollywood or anywhere in America, he wanted to premiere his own.
The original barn door here from the Essanay Silent Film Studio,
I read the tag.
1914.
Does not mean anything to me.
So this was an early.
There's some photographs.
I don't know exactly all of how this works. This was an early way to copy film. Was to actually project one film onto and copy it. This was early film copying.
There's like an editing station somewhere here, right? That lets you
That's the
this is for like cutting scenes and
This although this is not threaded and I don't know how to thread it correctly, but I can show you, like, pretend this is threaded correctly.
Yeah.
You would turn the light on in here, and if this was threaded correctly, you could use that pedal to like advance it a frame at a time, and then you would go in here and say, well, this is where I want to make my cut, and mark it with a grease pencil. You cut it there, that line, and then when you have the two ends together, you would put it on here, scrape the emulsion off one of these, hold this in place, use some film cement there, hold that down, plants. Back when you when
a jump cut was actually a cut.
When people would actually edit films, like Tarantino makes a big deal about, like, I'm always going to shoot on film. If I can't shoot on film, I'm not making movies anymore. He still edits digitally.
Now this is cool. These seats are the only remaining original seats from the original theater. Yeah, that place is amazing. The history there is deep. I grabbed a couple t-shirts and different little refrigerator magnets and stuff. Now we'll just take a stroll through the historic district here. It's like an old tow truck. Tons of antique shops, tea shops. Les Bell's Antique Shop. Very busy day down here today. Saturday afternoon. Train station over there. This is a dangerous shop for me. Bunch of vintage clothes. This is dope. Couldn't film inside that spot a lot because they had the music going, but I picked up a VHS from the 2000 Oakland A's team. It'll make for a cool little collection piece. So that was all I'm gonna do down here today. Quick little vlog. Got some cool items. Saw a historic little museum, which is a true hidden gem. I'm gonna have to come back down here one day, explore for a lot longer, and go into all these antique shops and everything. I didn't really know that it was this in depth down here as far as the small businesses. I mean, I already bought a coffee, so I didn't get to go to these tea and coffee shops that all look amazing too. So you will see another vlog from this Niles downtown district in Fremont, California. If you joined, if you checked it out, I appreciate y'all. Until next time, as always, peace.